If you are watching this video, I have successfully sent the invite to the class to your email address. This video will help you get started in the class utilizing Blackboard to its fullest. In order for you to complete the objectives for this course, you must create a Blackboard Ultra account as an instructor. You will be working in 2 classes for this course. Firstly, you're registered for my class utilizing Blackboard to its fullest. You will be making a secondary sample course shell. You're doing this so I can ensure you understand how to apply the knowledge that you're learning. You will be creating assignments for your students as I assign them to you. To get into my class, just follow the link to the register button. You will click on the link that I gave you, and then you'll see a register button at the top right-hand corner. Registering is free, but you will have to fill out some brief information about yourself. Register as an instructor. Once you are registered, you can sign into the class that I'm teaching, as well as work on your own assignments in the class shell that you will be creating. So, when you are given an assignment to create for your classes in Blackboard, you will do it in the secondary shell. Your classmates and I will go to this site and view what you create. So, once you've registered and you open your account, you'll see the class that you're registered in for me, and you'll also have 10 empty course shells, and they'll give you examples of how to use them, etc. So you pick one of them for your secondary shell for the class that you'll be referring us to. So once you pick that secondary shell, here we go, and here we are in Blackboard. So here is the class utilizing Blackboard to its fullest that you are in for me. So the first thing you do is click on a button over here. Mine says Courses Open, so I've made that available to you guys, but yours will say Courses Private. And when you click on it, there'll be a button here that says Make Course Open. Mine says Make Course Private because mine's already open. But yours will say Make Course Open. You just simply click on that, and that allows students to enroll in your course. Now, a secondary thing that you do to allow us all to register is you click on Roster, and you'll see yourself as the instructor. There'll be a plus sign up here to invite students. And you can invite them by sending them an email address or giving them the shareable link right here. So you click on this shareable link and copy it, and that is how you give us the link to get into your course. Now that's a little tricky to find, so I just wanted to show you that in case you're kind of looking everywhere to look for this, but it was a little tricky for me to find, so I wanted to show you guys how to get there. So then you'll go back to the open course, and here you'll see I have in here different topics that you will see later on in the class. So once you have figured out how to open your class and give us the shareable link, you'll be sharing that in your first discussion post. So now that you know how to do that much, good luck to all of you, and I look forward to seeing you at the start of the class.